So, how do we put God first or prioritize God? Okay, prioritizing God means making Him the central focus of your life through consistent, intentional actions like daily prayer and reading scripture, seeking His will in all your decisions, serving others, worshiping with the community, and aligning your speech and actions with His word. Even scheduling specific time for Him before other commitments. It's about building a deep, active relationship, not just a routine, by letting Him guide every aspect of your day and life. Start your day with God. Begin with prayer and Bible reading before engaging with other tasks or media to set your spiritual tone for the day. Pray continually. Maintain an ongoing conversation with God throughout the day, praying during commutes, breaks, or while doing daily chores. Read scripture. Regularly study the Bible for wisdom and to align your thoughts with His truth. Incorporate worship. Listen to Christian music or sermons and actively worship in community at church. Your actions and your mindset: seek His kingdom first, serve others, practice gratitude, evaluate your priorities, and speak His word. And be accountable. Schedule a time, find an accountability partner, join a group, learn to say no, be willing to decline other requests to honor your commitment to God. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.